Most people think you need experience, certifications, or even a technical background to start cybersecurity. It can feel like there's a long list of requirements before you can even begin. And for a lot of people, that's exactly what stops them from getting started in the first place. You see job descriptions asking for years of experience. You see certifications that cost hundreds, sometimes thousands, and you start to think, maybe this isn't something you can just step into. But what if that assumption is wrong? What if there was a way to start cybersecurity without experience, without paying anything up front, and without needing to understand everything on day one? That's where the ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity comes in, also known as the CC certification. This is one of the most accessible entry points into the cybersecurity industry, and in many cases, you can start it for free. ICS2 is one of the most recognized organizations in cybersecurity. They are responsible for some of the most respected certifications in the industry, including the CISSP, which is widely considered the gold standard for cybersecurity professionals. The CISSP is an industry standard certification. It's highly regarded and often expected for more senior roles, but it's also known for something else. It's described as being an inch deep and a mile wide. It doesn't go extremely deep into one specific topic, but it covers a huge range of security concepts across the entire domain. Because of that, it can be challenging, especially if you don't already have experience in cybersecurity. But it's important to say this: the CISSP is still achievable. Even if you're starting with little to no experience, it just takes time, consistency, and effort. And this is where ISC2's wider goal becomes important. They've set out to certify 1 million people in cybersecurity, because the industry doesn't just need experts, it needs more people getting started. And this is exactly where the CC certification fits. It's designed to bring people into cybersecurity, to make it accessible, and to remove the barriers that stop people from starting. The Certified in Cybersecurity is an entry-level certification designed for beginners. It introduces you to the fundamentals of cybersecurity, including basic security principles, risk awareness, access control, and network security. What makes this different from other certifications is that it doesn't assume you already know anything. It starts from the ground up. You'll learn about key concepts like security principles, business continuity, access control, and basic network security. These are the building blocks that everything else in cybersecurity is built on. So when you pass the CC, you're not just getting a certification. You're building confidence, you're building understanding, and you're preparing yourself for what comes next. But it's important to be realistic. This certification alone won't make you an expert, and it won't guarantee you a job. The real value is that it gives you a starting point, it gives you structure, and it shows that you're serious about entering the field. For many people, that first step is the hardest part. And this is one of the biggest advantages of the CC certification. ISC2 often provides free training and a free exam voucher. So instead of spending hundreds just to get started, you can begin learning cybersecurity without paying anything up front. The process is simple. You sign up with ISC2, access the training materials, and then book your exam through Pearson VUE. It's structured, straightforward, and designed to guide you through the process. The exam itself is multiple choice and focuses on understanding rather than memorization. It's designed to test your grasp of core concepts, not to catch you out with overly technical detail. This certification is ideal for people looking to break into cybersecurity. Whether you're changing careers, starting fresh, or moving from IT into security, this gives you a clear entry point. The key is not to stop here. Use this certification as your foundation. Build on it. Continue learning. Explore more advanced topics. This is where your journey really begins. From here, you can move into more specialized areas, gain hands-on experience, and eventually work towards certifications like the CISSP. Cybersecurity isn't about passing one exam. It's about understanding systems, thinking about risk, and continuously improving over time. The CC certification is beginner-friendly, often completely free, and designed to help you take that first step into cybersecurity. This is one of the best places to start your cybersecurity journey. Check the pinned comments for everything you need to sign up for ISC2 CC training and the exam. We're here to help you on your journey. Ask questions, learn the mindset, and follow CyberMigos for cybersecurity explained simply.